Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, subscribe, like, share and leave a sweet comment. On today's video is a super special video guys. I'm coming live and clear from our Airbnb around here in Kenya, Africa, around here. So this day today we want to have a crazy challenge. We want to be traveling from the village far away to the place where I started business when I was vending stuffs in Kenya. So I'm not alone. I'm accompanied by my friends Mito Jr. and others, Mogendi the Dreamer, True Boy 208, Mogendi Muta Jr., Min Howie, and so many others around here. So this day today wanna be moving from Nyabuhanse to Homa Bay. That might be 50 kilometers plus. So let's see. Hi. It becomes itchy boot. So we are here setting. We have 3 motorbikes around here which we'll be moving on with, and we are here with let me start with Mawira.
Yo, what's up, amazing people? Let me look like hey, everybody on here.
Rich kid. Yes.
You'll be given
No copyright. Those are music that we dance this way. One wish you my love. Yes. And I'll see you, my love. Thank you so much.
Hey, amazing people. My name is Only Mawira, and we're coming live from Nyabuhanse, the most famous village in the world.
Yes.
Do you know why? We're gonna find it later.
Yeah.
Please check me out on my YouTube as Only Mawira, Mawira.
Yeah.
Come there, subscribe, and I will appreciate it.
Absolutely, guys. Absolutely. And the man himself, Jamaican uncle, we are here with him. Wagwan. Yeah, man.
Where I say, man?
Yeah, say what?
Why me not there?
Everything me there, friend.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Everything, man.
Yeah, me there.
Cook and curry.
Yeah,
man.
Absolutely.
Man. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
so
introduce yourself.
I'm here with all these YouTubers.
Yes.
And they're going somewhere, but they didn't invite me. That's the only thing.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Well, anyway, this is Jamaican Uncle.
Yes.
And remember to go and share.
Yes.
Subscribe.
Yes.
Like.
Yes.
And leave a comment.
Yes.
Yeah, man. And just always big up the thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah, man.
If they don't know the tingo, they must know the tingo.
They must know the tingo, man.
How the tingo goes.
What? enough love, man. And respect.
Enough love.
Yeah, man.
Enough respect. Thank you so much, Jamaican uncle.
You're welcome.
Sorry we never invited you, but
Don't worry,
you know
man.
we are together spiritually.
Yes.
And what we need is blessings from you as we,
Yeah, man.
as we
Enough
move
blessings,
around
man.
here. Absolutely.
And respect.
Yeah,
Yeah,
enough
man.
respect, guys.
Yeah,
Please
man. Yeah,
subscribe to his YouTube channel at Jamaican Uncle. And also we are here with the lady of the motorbike, Itchy Boots herself.
So guys, we're embarking on a journey, on a challenge. Today we are challenging Itchy Boots.
Yes.
Want to take on the challenge and try and see if we can make it with our local bikes.
Yes.
Okay, so it's a Porsche, apparently.
Porsche Cayenne.
It's not even a local bike. But guys, kindly walk with us, pray for us as well, so that we can get, we're going like 50 to 60 kilometers away,
Yes.
rough road.
Yeah, for sure.
So we are going to take, I don't know what path, I don't know, he knows the journey, the way. So guys,
should
it's going to be interesting and entertaining.
Yes.
I don't know if you're going to fit on Itchy Boots, fit the new boots. But then now, let's wait and see. So guys, off we go.
Is this the Itchy Boots?
These are local boots.
Local boots, the gum boots. All right, and also we are here with Bata. Hi. Hey, the baby is chewing. Yeah. So, all right, let's see. Also, we are here.
What's up?
Hey, Wagwan, man. You look Jamaican, man.
I'm Jamaican.
You're Jamaican. How is the thing going?
The thing good, man.
Hey. All right. Lieutenant me there.
Oh man, why I say? Why
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Talk you.
What's up, man?
Cool.
Yes.
My name is Morgan Chronicles.
Yes.
Yeah, this is
Claude Joseph. Yeah.
Claude Joseph
Yes.
YouTube channel.
Yes.
Support your boy. Support Morgan Chronicles.
Absolutely.
They are going for an adventure.
Yes.
And when I came here to see them, how they do their work. You know?
How we do the thing.
Yeah, man.
All right, man. Thank you.
All right.
Also, I'm having my look-alike brother over here. People say we look alike. People say, where did you take your brother? Here he is today. He's trying to give me blessings, as he said. the journey is straightforward where we are
What's
going.
up, brothers?
Yes.
Welcome back to CJ, my twin brother. Over
Absolutely.
Here. Yeah, welcome back to CJ. Subscribe to him.
Yes.
Man, this is amazing. My name is Joel_Mugisha, a YouTuber from Kigali, Rwanda.
Yes.
So check me out.
Absolutely.
Man, more blessings, man. Enjoy.
Yeah.
Enjoy yourself. You
Absolutely.
are trying to be Itchy Boots
Today we are going to Itchy Boots.
Itchy Boots.
Absolutely.
Wow.
All right, Juma, introduce yourself, man.
Yo man, this is Mr. Trueboy208 here.
Yes.
Welcome to Claude Joseph's YouTube channel.
Yes.
If you are new, don't leave this channel without subscribing.
Yes.
Road to 50k subscribers.
Yes.
And also here Mr. Trueboy208.
Yes.
Road to 4,000 watch hours. Please watch my videos.
Yes.
Take me to 4,000 watch hours and I really appreciate it and I'll be monetized. Thank you, Mr.
All right, man. Thank you, man.
Yeah, man.
All right, Mogendi, introduce yourself before we embark on this amazing journey.
Yeah, guys.
He's also
What's up,
part of the
guys?
riders here.
No,
Yes.
the only experienced rider here. Guys, they're going to follow me. I'm like
The leader.
The leader. I'm
Okay.
the one knowing all the routes.
Okay.
So they're going to be back on my so that they're filming me well.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, this is Mogende Dreamer here, and go check me on my YouTube channel at Mogende Dreamer.
Yes.
2K subscribers, and let's meet there, guys.
All
so
right,
today we are going to.
Twee. And remember, guys, tomorrow we have a meeting. So let's try and see what
be back by
we have to be back.
Huh?
Yes. Yeah. So let's see what's going on around.
We are going
This is
on a
our
very
brother
serious
here,
journey.
Chronicle,
Oh my God.
Morgan Chronicle, Morgan Heritage.
You can just call me Morgan Cool Boy.
Morgan Cool Boy. All right, let me introduce her. Hey.
Yeah, hi guys.
How fun?
I'm so sad I'm not going,
Oh.
but maybe next time I will go.
The road is bumpy, and we don't want to destroy upcoming.
Yeah, and aside from that, I don't have anyone to leave my baby with.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so you know he doesn't associate much with people.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so maybe next time we will go.
Oh, for sure. But guys, subscribe to her at
Yeah.
It's Better.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah.
So I wish them a safe journey. Yeah.
All right. Bye.
I hope
Bye,
I
guys.
hope the rain won't rain.
Hit us. All right. Let's see. All right. Okay. Okay. Bye, guys. Okay. So guys, we are heading on the other end. Let's try and see. That's Mogendi over here. That's Mogendi the Dreamer in front of us, guys. So guys, we are in Migori, and we want to fuel our car, no, our motorbike around here, so that we can proceed with our journey, which is almost 50k plus. You wanna see? So we are heading around here to this side, and we wanna see what's going on around, so that okay ya 500. Alright guys, we are here, and wacha nifungue pikipiki. 5. So we are fueling around here,
Oh yeah.
and we wanna see what we're having. Minhawi,
Yes.
how has it been?
It has been serious.
Okay. Look
Guys.
at the group.
Oh my God, this is going to be a very interesting trip, guys. Look at these guys here. Hey, say hi.
Hi.
This is
Hey, hello guys.
Oh my God.
Yeah, guys, as I told you,
Uh,
only experience life.
okay, guys. Let's see.
So guys, we are hovering. Are you ready guys? So guys, we are moving on this other end, and we are heading to an headable place. So we are literally on this other end. The amazing journeys. Here's a truck behind us. We have to stop. We check how it's moving on the other end. Still turning back. Still turning back. We're here with Juma and the Junior. Yes. Good. Things are moving. Okay. It's like a movie. It's like a movie. Yes. Like drama. road is very crazy over here. Very, very crazy. road is telling us it's like the middle of nowhere. The way you see, it's very bumpy. Suppose now it's raining and the road is full of water. Guys, we got stuck here and there's a river here in the middle of the water. We want to see what's going on. Okay,
you first.
okay, let's check what's in.
I want to rap.
Yes.
Who is going first? No. I want to rap for you first.
Now you can see if those days back, Juma, if I used to tell you I don't have soda and you used to complain, you are working. Now look, these are the roads that I used to pass.
And actually, the
Yes.
first one was just a massive video.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Vita, funga mikando weke ndani. Weke mikanda, funga hiyo mikanda. Hii yote hiyo ingine. Yeah guys, we are here. You wanna see? Sit in the middle.
Don't take a thing. Want to go number one. You know the goodness is you have a gambut, but with me,
Yes.
that's problem.
We made it, guys. We made it with them. We are waiting for Mr. Junior and you see. They're afraid to pass. Okay, man. Okay, you did it.
Hey,
Okay. Okay. Interesting. Have you gone? Another crazy road. The road is muddy. We are in a place called Modi area. There's a school over here. Oh my god. Oh! You see Argeta? It's called Argeta. Argeta. Did you see? I never read to catch it. It's a big lizard. We literally stopped by over here for a short break and we'll see what's next. So guys, we are around here. We just stopped by for a short break. We wanna have quench something. We are with Mita Junior around here and me and Howie, so we wanna have maybe soda or something. Then we wanna be moving on the other end. Let's check and we'll see. So we decided to just quench the thirst. Straw ntie. Can I want a straw? I mean, hi. How are you?
Hi.
You see the road?
Where? No.
Where is Juma?
It's my chance to play.
How is the experience?
Amazing.
Very nice.
Leta
moto. Una moto.
Nataka baridi.
Hey, I want to buy cold.
Yawa.
Mogendi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yes.
This makes sense. Yeah, I'm fine. Okay. And the guys is still moving on. So this is resting point. Resting point.
Alright.
Okay, sawa.
As you see, Mr. Junior, Mogendi, Minhawi, we are having some quenching like our tasks here, and also our hunger or our anger.
Hunger.
Our hunger. That is English.
Yeah.
So we see how we're moving.
I wouldn't say it's English, but it means something else.
An angry man is a hungry man is an angry man. So I saw these people were hungry because the road was very crazy. We're just pushing over there. Those are our Porsches around, so that we can see.
We are on the way.
Yeah. Still the journey is long. Alright. Let me check on our motorbike around here. Oh. And we literally see Nango Aneni Ber hii ni ana mwenyewe. So how is it?
I just remembered and it does not even have Nikki card. Can you put it inside?
Okay.
It does not even have a memory card.
Oh.
It's not even charged.
Really?
Wait.
So we are literally moving here, and we want to check where we are heading on this other end, so that we can see the views of this amazing area. See you guys. The road is bumpy, a lot of potholes. Hatujafika. You can see how the road is, guys, on this other end. The mountains or hills are really pleasing. This is the magical Kenya, guys, you see. This is how magical it is. This is how you see with a lot of potholes on the road. The magic is on the potholes. This is how you see how stuff are around. It's a crazy road trip or road journey around here, on a rough, smooth and amazing, but still we are moving, standing still and straight. You see on the other end, very nice and great. Unaitwa? Tulia. Hebu shika, hebu nisikie. Hey, in Hawi, you are checking on the road?
No, I just want to pass because I know.
Okay, pass and then you see us.
Yeah. Hola. Guys. Hey. I told you.
Hey.
Look at this. Look at this.
Hey. Yeah. Oh, we go. Hey. I'm stepping down.
Sorry, Mr. Mita. Oh my God. How are you feeling now? Look at his legs, guys. Oh no.
This is now an adventure.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh no.
Let's board and go.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, okay. Wacha kidogo, a minute. Oh, there's a school here. It's a community. Our Lady of Aurora Comprehensive School. It's called Aurora School. The better view from the other end. Yeah, they'll see the view of the lake. They'll be on the other side. Passing on top of the mountain. There's some better views. There's a better view on this other side, guys. Although it's stand there, a better area for stand here. Guys, this is what you see.
It can't be seen.
There's two islands there, so that's Migingo Island, the small one you see.
That is Migingo Island.
Yeah, that's Migingo Island. We have Migingo Big here, and the Migingo, the one you see, like it looks like Nairobi KCC.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. And around here we have an island in between here
Let me hold this.
called Kiwa Island.
Kiwa Island.
Yeah, Kiwa Island. Now this is Lake Victoria. On this other end, this is also an island,
Okay.
but it has a stretch all the way through up to those boosters that you see.
Yeah, guys, we are on top of a hill. For those who do not
We'll
know.
be able to reach the boosters today.
Those boosters.
Yeah, and we come, we sleep in the town here.
Okay.
Yeah, so you'll be enjoying some great breathtaking views around here, guys. Very, very nice. We are accompanied with the full combat Jesh, Mogendi, Stedler.
Today I'm going to do like three.
You'll swim.
True boy here, true boy.
And with the junior.
I wish I can own a piece of land here.
Yeah, and also a drone. Oh my god.
And a drone, right?
Yeah.
Guys, I have to remove my helmet because we are on a hill and it's so
So
hot.
some days, maybe if we get time, we will pass on this other side. Some days, because we are not much prepared, we will pass here on the other end. We can have a boat to go to the island.
No way.
We can see what's going on around.
Boats, no, guys. No.
All right, guys, let's see.
Okay. There's a
Uchote
cactus.
rekuya hayo.
Cloud, what's this? This
Those
That's
are
a cactus.
cactus.
and those one?
Those are euphobias.
Oh, you found
Yeah, up to the other side of the land. The kids are looking after animals on the other side. Hey, Omera, nang. This one the diang. This one diang, Omera. Eh, you said diang. This one diang achier. Okay, guys, we got the kids. Let's go, guys. Still, we have more views. See this other end. Amazing and see the breathtaking views. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
He's a Burundian?
That guy,
He's a Burundian. Okay.
so the main road nilikuwa nakwambia hii yenye inatoka juu. Hiyo ni very bad. Something like this.
that?
Yeah, it's what it's all about fish, sardines, omena.
Sardines.
There's a lot of sardines around. Yeah, this used to be my working zone.
This is where it used to be.
On this house over here, the left side. But now they have changed it to become a fish area. I'm surprised even this area they changed it to have oh, it has really dropped. It's not like those days back when we used to be around here. I see they have developed to have two, three
We are in Nyandiwa?
some guest house inside here.
Oh, okay.
But this is not the Nyandiwa itself.
We need to rest.
Yeah, we need to rest.
Village life. Hey, you really came far.
Our eyes,
Guys,
everything.
look at all these. Hey, all these. This guy, I know he's very tired compared to everyone else. The dreamer. Hey, guys, villagers are now staring, all of them across. Yeah, so want to see there's a guest house, Lagos guest house.
It's a guest house.
Yes. Hey, people need to unwind. It to be like 2 hours plus or 3 hours.
3 hours. Riding a motorbike. It's not easy, guys.
It's not.
But we have tried.
So guys, this is the team.
Yeah. And this is our first time. And I want us to make it as a routine.
A routine, you must be traveling.
Yes. Yes, we must be traveling.
Yeah.
Even we want to join this one. Yes. so
Yeah, you
that
can
we
also join. You can come.
Yeah.
Are you interested?
Yes, I'm interested.
You need to open a YouTube channel.
Yes, I will open.
Yeah, you need to open a YouTube channel.
So that we can travel
This
together.
is Mr. Junior's brother, guys.
Yes.
We'll open a YouTube channel
Our
for
last
him.
born.
Oh, your last one?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So, we're here, guys.
They are opening the gate. So that the machines.
The machines can go. Okay, let me get in and capture
with
them
this
coming.
then.
No, I want to get in and capture these guns coming out. That's a neck. Yay. Yeah. This has been a beautiful adventure, guys. Wow.
Very heavy, guys.
I know.
The adventure has been adventurous.
The adventure has been adventuring. Wow.
The adventure, you should be on this side.
Okay.
The adventure has been adventured.
Uh-huh.
And now this is the zone where I used to work.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so these are the rooms. When I started getting broke, when everything went wrong, I took this house to put my
Number
stuffs.
12.
Yeah, number 12. To put stuffs inside. So when I come from home, I just pick them from there. I move to just supply to the smallest towns you saw.
Okay.
But the main house used to be the other side, and my other main house was to be.
How many
I'll
houses
show
were
you.
you having?
Yeah, I used to have 3 houses.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I used to be rich.
Wow.
How about now?
Hey, now
You're struggling,
you know what I
struggling.
can see? It's like the life change, because this used to be like a slavery work.
Slavery work.
Yes, but now this, sometimes you have freedom. Sometimes you work on the other way.
Hey, the insects are all over your face.
Yes,
Guys,
because the insects.
look. Can you see all those black
The
insects?
insects have been insecting.
Insecting.
Yes.
Okay,
Alright,
guys.
thank you so much, guys.
Yes.
I really appreciate. Then from here, I'll take you to the lakeside so that you can enjoy the beautiful journey there.
Okay.
You can just go swim near. You don't take shower. You take shower in the river. No,
Okay.
at the lakeside.
Okay, let's go and see, guys. Hey, this sunset, guys. Whoa. Yeah, wow. Guys, that is like, the whole of that is like, hey, CJ.
What is it? Don't what?
Oh my God.
Huh? What is it? Show them the lake.
I'm worried
Look, you wanted an adventure and now you are crying.
Okay, that's enough.
What is enough?
Like, are we going down there with the bike?
Yes.
Oh my God. I don't know how to swim. Wow. You stop it here, right? No, but no, in the night. Just stop it here, it's enough. What's the men's place? And I'm going under my lady.
Hakuna mtu.
Yeah.
Uangalie juu. Hiyo moto kuja nisaidie kushika hapo.
You want me to? Okay, I'm recording.
Juma.
Hii kitu endo geuzia pale.
There it's easier. So guys, this is the lovely Lake Victoria. Can you see? And that is a beautiful sunset there. So we've come here, and to me it looks extremely dangerous. Now they are saying they want to shower. They want to take a bath in this place here. So they come there. Well, CJ, be careful. Hey. CJ!
Guys, my day ended here. This video ended here, guys. Hey. Let me wipe the camera. Yes, guys, we are at the beautiful Lake Victoria over here, one of the best freshwater lake around here. If you want best tilapia, eat it from inside here, and there's a best sun.
And if you want the best hippopotamus, they're in here.
They're in here. Look,
And
you
right
see?
now,
You see now?
go with the water.
Omera, ina na pot donge. Pika mano kama bila kama no kao record donge.
Ukienda hata vile hapa inaenda. Ukienda na umeslide. Ile maji itakuja na unaikunywa.
Okay. Nini? Maji.
Vile hii ni maji inakuja na
force.
Moja inakuja ingine pia inakuja. Na kama umeangalia huko. Ile inakuja huko unakuja na unakunywa.
Hiyo ingine. Kama if you don't know how to swim. So the first wave, if it comes, it just beats you. The second one comes, you must drink it whether you like it or not. So that's what he's telling you. So sasa hii samaki iko donge. Okay. Guys, look at that view of the sun. Very, very great. So we have to end this video here. We came to take a shower over here in the lake, but the young boys have just warned us, told us yesterday they passed here some hippopotamus, but you can just tell the views of this other end. We're on this amazing area. Some days maybe we want to be passing on this other end, going through off the other side, and things might be so nice. Mita, introduce yourself, bro.
Yeah, hello guys.
How was the journey first?
It was very nice. Yes. And also we can redo it
again. So yes. You know the thing is, we can go around up to Mfangano Island, passing this side. We go back to Kisumu. This route, it heads up to Kisumu.
Using what?
Bicycle, motorbike. All right, Mogendi. Yes. Have you ever been this side or you're wondering the wonders of the world?
No, this side, yeah. I was in Kisumu, the other side when I wasn't going to Kakamega.
Don't lie.
I was talking like a big guys, I used to see this lake when I was in the other side and when I was in Tanzania. So today I'm in
the other side of Kenya.
In the country and the side of other side of Kenya. So I'm seeing wonders.
You're seeing wonders. Now you know where we are. We are at the peak.
But this is scary.
It's very scary. Wonders of the world. Are you okay?
Me, I don't want to stay here anymore. I just want to go.
You want to go?
Yeah.
Guys, these are the same people. I want to do this. I want to do this. When I bring them.
We know that we have hippos around here. Then there's no point for this. The time they start coming back.
Okay. All right, guys. So also this is True Boy 208. And you also, hey, True Boy.
Yes.
You have been here. This is the second time.
Yeah, this is my second time here.
Yes.
But I'm scared, bro, because there is a huge
water current.
Yeah. Right now the volume of water is very high. We are not going to try even to
swim
there.
Okay.
Yeah. So even you can see there how the water is behaving.
Yeah, it's behaving crazily.
Yeah. So
okay.
No need to risk.
Okay.
Yes, thank you for hosting me.
All right, man. All right, guys, thank you so much. This is beautiful Mama Africa around here. Thank you so much. Let's see you on our next episode. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Bye, guys.